This is an unboxing video for the multi-color LED light bar from Five Below. Oh yeah, I bought this today. Now it's dark, so it's a good time for us to try this. Now, it says right here on the outside, there's a remote control comes with it. It's got RGB, USB powered, 15 colors, 4 modes. So I have a light bulb like this where it flashes in different modes and sorts of things, but this one actually has a battery included, the little CR 2025, like it's the little one, it's about the size of a nickel. And use the scissors here to open it. I don't imagine there's going to be too much assembly required for this, but we'll see. There's your remote control. That's probably where the battery goes. All right, so you got to plug it into the USB apparently. All right, so that's interesting. And yeah, take a look at the instructions. All right, tiny, tiny little instructions. So let's put them up to the camera so you guys can see it. Right there. Multicolor LED light bar operations manual. Thank you for purchasing. There's your specifications there. Remove safety strips before use. There's your light modes. Safety, blah, blah, blah. Care and maintenance. Low battery leakage. Okay. So hold that out for the first time. It's the battery and the remote. Show you how to change the batteries in the remote. Yes, caution. All right, so that's that. All right. And that this. Put a strip. Turn it on. Now, obviously, this has to be plugged into a USB port, which I just happen to have right here somewhere. Crying out loud. There. There's the USB port. So now we're gonna kill the lights and play around with this thing. It's pretty bright. Like I could read to this. So that's a good sign. There's the off button. There's the on button. Now let's see here. Let's go with, I think that's to like reduce the intensity. Different modes. Green. Here's blue, purple. That's actually red, looked yellow on my screen. It's got some nice color modes. Flashing. That's all it wants to do, it seems, is flash. Alright, well, yippee, yippee, yippee. That's your unboxing video. If you have any questions, let me know.